Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up app limitation on your iPhone. First thing you want to do is open up your settings and then scroll until you find screen time, and then scroll again until you find app limits. Set time limits for apps, and then you want to make sure that your app limits already turned on. Then you can click add limit. After that, you can choose whatever categories that you want to set up for app limitation. For example, I choose entertainment. You can set up for all of the apps under entertainment, but you can also choose just one of them or just few of them. For example, I only want to set up for Netflix. Then click next, and then you can set up for the time. For example, I set up for just 2 hours every day. It will automatically every day. Then you can customize days if you wanna make sure that you can access it for several hours on the other day. For example, I set up for Sundays. I can access it for 5 hours just on Sundays. And then click Netflix, and then you can see it's already customized, and then you can click add. As you can see, it's already set up. Thank you.